In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Buffer account. Buffer is a fantastic tool for managing your social media presence, allowing you to schedule posts and engage with your audience effectively. If you're new to social media management, Buffer offers a user-friendly platform that's perfect for everyone, from beginners to seasoned social media managers. To kick things off, head over to Buffer's official website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in buffer.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with Buffer's homepage highlighting their social media management solutions. On the homepage, you should see an inviting button labeled Get Started Now. Click on this button to begin your journey with Buffer. It's designed to guide you effortlessly into the setup process, ensuring that you don't feel overwhelmed. Now you'll reach a page where you'll be prompted to sign up for a new account. Here, Buffer makes things easy by allowing you to use your email address to create your account. In the first field, simply enter your email in the space provided. Make sure it's an email you frequently use and have access to, as this will be crucial for account verification and notifications. After typing in your email, you'll see an option to create a password. Click on this option and think of a secure password that you'll remember. It's important that your password is strong and unique for security purposes. Be sure to create one that's at least 8 characters long, following Buffer's guidelines for a secure setup. It can be helpful to mix letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure that your account remains protected. Once your email and password are set, you'll find a button labeled Sign Up. With your information filled in, go ahead and click Sign Up. This simple action will create your Buffer account, giving you access to an array of social media management tools. You're almost there. Buffer will likely send a confirmation email to the address you provided, so don't forget to check your inbox or spam folder just in case. This step is crucial for verifying your account. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Buffer account. From here, you're ready to start exploring Buffer's features. Whether you want to schedule posts, analyze engagement, or manage multiple social media accounts effortlessly, your new account is your gateway to taking control of your social presence. If you need more help navigating the platform, Buffer offers a wealth of tutorials and resources to ensure you're making the most out of its features. Enjoy your new tool to streamline your social media efforts, and happy scheduling!